In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Chrome tab size. If your tabs feel tiny, cramped, or just hard to read, this walkthrough will help you make Chrome more comfortable without overcomplicating anything. We'll focus on simple, reliable tools built right into the browser so you can see more clearly and stay organized. First, know that Chrome links the size of your tabs to your overall zoom. That means when you scale things up, you're not just making websites bigger. You're enlarging the entire interface, including the tabs, the address bar, and your bookmarks. To do this, hold the Control key and tap the plus key. Each tap bumps everything up a bit, making text and icons easier to see. Take it one step at a time until the tabs and interface feel comfortable. Because this affects the whole window, it's an excellent option if you prefer bigger visuals across the board. If your tabs look small because you have a lot open, you don't have to strain your eyes scrolling across a crowded row. Click the small arrow in the top left corner of Chrome. This opens Tab Search, which presents a clean, readable list of every open page. It's perfect when your tab strip is overflowing. You'll see page titles clearly, and you can jump straight to what you need without hunting. This gives you breathing room and helps you move faster when you're juggling many pages. Another helpful technique is pinning your most important tabs. Pinning makes a tab smaller and keeps it anchored in your browser, so it's always right where you left it, even after you close and reopen Chrome. To pin, just right-click the tab you want to keep handy and choose Pin. The tab shrinks down to an icon on the left side of the tab bar, which looks cleaner and makes it easier to sort everything else. This is great for essentials like email, calendars, or project dashboards, because they stay put while leaving more room for the tabs you open and close throughout the day. Put together, these tools make a big difference. Zooming increases the size of the entire interface for better visibility. Tab Search gives you a readable, organized list when things get crowded. And pinning keeps your must-have pages compact and always within reach. Better visibility and more room to work. You're all set. Done.